For end post attachment of Horsecote non-conductive coated wire, drill 3/8-inch pilot holes for 1/2-inch lag screws. To properly mark your post for drilling, see the related video. There are the pre-bent 45-degree buckles and the straight buckles, so make sure you use the proper buckle for your installation and attach to post with a lag screw and washer. Now insert the coated wire into the hole closest to the center of the buckle. Bend the end of the coated wire and feed it back through the end hole in the buckle. Once tightly pulled through, bend the end once again, this time up into the buckle. Pull tight and use bolt cutters to trim off any surplus.